Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make those designs for your t-shirts using Artistly, more specifically Prompt Magic. Okay, now to begin, when you are looking for Prompt Magic, it will be in the Fast AI Image Designer tab. Okay, from the menu, we're just going to go over to Prompt Magic, select Prompt Magic, and you will see under step 1, select a category. We will have the prompt here, t-shirt design. So this is fantastic. So this will allow you to create those prompts for your t-shirt designs. Okay, so once you want to go ahead, select t-shirt designs, and you'll see step 2 will now appear where it says configure your settings. Now we've got a couple of settings we can choose from. Okay, more specifically, you've got t-shirt design category, what is the gender, and a brief summary. So first of all, here you can see some examples where it's spiritual, motivational, occasional, maybe for business, training, teaching, education, security, etc, etc. So for this one, we could say the category could be health, health and fitness. Okay, what's the gender? Let's go for female. Brief summary, example, people who are coffee lovers. So here we can say females who love the gym and healthy eating. Okay, and that's it. Next, we want to simply go to generate prompts, and we'll give that a few moments to generate the prompts that we're looking for. Remember, the category is going to be health and fitness. It's for the female gender, and it's for females who love the gym and healthy eating. Okay, so here we can see here are your prompts. So here, always make sure, I always say this, make sure you copy, and you can put it in a notepad, Google document, and it's there for safekeeping. Now next, we have the prompt. So this is the prompt here. You can see create a vibrant apparent t-shirt design, etc, etc, and you can see how much it has. It's a nice enhanced prompt. Okay, key things here you can see that are going to be in speech marks. Fuel my fitness journey, as I skim through, fuel my fitness journey. Okay, next we're going to keep it as high quality, and we'll keep it the aspect ratio of 1:1, and we'll simply go and generate the image. Now, you can always copy this because we can use that prompt again in Perfect Text and Image Designer or the AI Image Designer. We can get full versions to your liking, but this is more specifically because it's more guided and it creates that structured prompt for you. Okay, next we're going to select generate image, and we'll give that a few moments to start generating the image, and it will be located in personal design section. So whilst that is happening, let's go and do another one in the meantime. Next we could do motivation, and we can see what the gender is. Let's stick with the males, and you could do a brief summary, people who love motivation in their life. Okay, or people actually who people who are action takers. Okay, and generate prompts. So we give that a few moments. That will then start generating a prompt, and you'll see just like so it has now been produced. And the same step we're going to follow from step number 3. Keep it as a high quality image, aspect ratio we keep it 1:1, and generate image, and then we'll be redirected to the personal design section. Now, as we've been redirected, you can see the one that was for females, fuel my fitness journey, has now been created. Now, a couple of things you can also use in this section is that you can redirect or keep everything controlled under the folders. Okay, so there's a tutorial on this. So if you have a particular folder with projects that you want to assign it to, you can do so. You can regenerate it for whatever reason. If there's some kind of anything you want to change, or maybe you're not happy with it, you can make those, you can get it regenerated. Okay, and as you know, when the images are public, you can actually make it private. Okay, and then we have the design and the additional settings of, sharing on social media, etc, etc. Now, once I close that, there will be additional tutorials how you can apply this to the t-shirt as well, but this is primarily the design of what you would apply on a t-shirt. Okay, I'm going to close that, and here's the one for the men. So movement starts here, and you can see it's got the cogs there in the appearance of feet. So that actually looks really, really nice, very unique, good use of colors, a nice angle of the text itself, and starts here. So it's all nice, clean and tidy. And the same will work. You can regenerate if you want, simply by doing regenerate. And here's it. And so when I said regenerate, you can see now it's actually populated in perfect text and it has image designer. So if I want, I can actually go regenerate it. But if I take this prompt like so, and I come to the AI image designer and I paste that there, I can customize settings, right? So once I go to customize settings, there's nothing stopping me from actually selecting quantity and making it 4. So I can actually do further little alterations to the style, the lighting, the mood, etc., etc. And I select generate image. And what we should see, we can make 4 different variations of that, and it's the same can apply with the design prompt for the female. So it's a fantastic guide of creating t-shirt designs using prompt magic. And once we have that design, we have that prompt, there's nothing stopping us from using alternative features and function within Artistly to actually build out even more designs, so we're not limited to just one. We can actually work on a much larger scale. Okay, so here you can see that's how it actually would look on the t-shirt. But as you see, this is the difference, isn't it? You can see with this it's more structured, much more cleaner, because once we have this shape of design, once we have this image, we can actually go ahead and place it onto a t-shirt, so like a t-shirt mock-up. Okay, and there will be another tutorial how you can then apply it like so. So hopefully you've enjoyed this video, and I shall see you in another video tutorial.